Hey everyone, this is Rakshita working at Inspire. Today I'm going to show you how to create an eye-catching logo using Canva. Here we are at the home page of the Canva. We'll go to search templates and type logo. And here we can see number of logos which has already been designed, and teach you how to redesign this and make your own logo with your own name. I'm going to select this logo and go to customize this template. After selecting the logo, we'll start designing it. We'll go to color and change the color of the background if needed. I'll pick something light and we'll change the name. I'll change it to Raksha Archives. We'll change this name, this wordings, to art works here. And to change the icon in middle, we'll delete it and we'll go to elements, and you can see we got n number of elements based on shapes, graphics, stickers or photos, or even the frames. I will pick this and set in middle. And here we have made a logo. We'll go to share and download. And this is how we make our logo using Canva within minutes. For more, like, share and follow to Inspire. This is Inspire, where your ideas become digital power. Thank you.